how to check the engine oil on the Toyota CHR and how you can check for the oil quality. Now go to the driver's seat and open up the bonnet by pulling this latch right here. Then put your hand in here. There is a lever you can drag. You need two hands for this. One is to pull the lever and the other hand to pull up the bonnet. Okay, once you have it open, we can let's stand up on this lever right here. So let's stand up on that lever there, and that will hold your bonnet up. Next, at the front here is the engine oil stick. So we're gonna pull out this stick to check for the oil level. So simply put your finger in and then pull it out, and then pull up. Now for the first time, it is recommended you wipe it off. Okay, so here we'll give it a wipe. Now put the dipstick in and we check it. Now you can see on this dipstick right here, there are two dots. Now there are two dots. This is the maximum level, and the one down here is the minimum. If your oil is anywhere in between, then you're good. So this is the maximum, and down here is the minimum. So you want your oil level to be somewhere in between. And closely looking at the oil, you can see here it is quite clear, but not very clear. It's already been used. But if the oil is really dark and black, that means the oil is old and it's time for you to replace it. If it is nice and clear, that means it's still good. You don't need to replace it right now. Depending on your oil quality, sometimes it may last a long time. Sometimes you may need to change it earlier. And that's it. So that is how you can check for your engine oil, and how you can check for the quality of the oil, and you can tell if you need to replace them right away or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.